First stop on setup day is the ICOM booth. Ray's got the new ID-50. Let's go take a look at it right now.
Wow, you're really quick on the gun. Do I need to wear microphones for you guys?
No, not on this.
Oh, so,
you're good.
So this is like a press meeting where all the
This is all I'm doing. We got it all.
All right, you guys want to get queued up? The thing is, this is for somebody that's wanting to get into the hobby. We had a lot of debates about whether to go the route of the ID-31 again, where it was UHF only.
Right.
I mean, our second largest market, I call it second because United States, Canada, and the Americas being first. Japan has no 2-meter repeaters. So you're looking at UHF being extremely important for them, but it was mediocre here in the States. Even though most of the D-Star repeaters are on UHF, now that there's more getting on 2 meters, the guys like the third generation repeater, it's analog and D-Star, we decided to come out with the ID-50. Pricing hasn't been set yet. It's got a lot of the features that people liked out of the ID-51 series. I think it was the ID-52 where we introduced dual DV dual watch.
Right.
This one is like the 51 where it does not. So that's where I jokingly say it's like the Mark II-G of it.
Okay.
There's a lot of 51 features in this product that a lot of people were happy with. It does not have the color display. It does have the waterfall feature for it, but it's going to be monochrome.
Right.
The user interface is that of the 52. They're using GUIs for your...
Hold it next to it. Size comparison.
Dude, really?
Yeah, the knob fell off, man. I don't know.
I mean,
I'm hard on my equipment, though.
you know how to get in touch with me to get a replacement.
Yeah.
So you're saying the feature-wise, it's pretty much the same minus the screen.
Minus the screen, minus the color. You do not get the dual watch for the DV mode.
Okay.
With the 50, with the ID-50.
It's an Ohio dog.
So,
License plate.
I mean, off camera we got a guy laughing. I don't know if it's the crowd or my statement.
I think it's just that you got the press. You got the press team. You're running the press junket right now.
Yeah.
What's up, Chuck?
What's going on,
But
Jason?
it's all the same controls, everything, pretty much, right?
Yeah.
Just totally.
If the user interface works, why change it?
Right.
I was wondering if you just dropped the D-Star on it. But apparently it has D-Star as well.
Yeah, it's got the D-Star in it. If you wanted one that did not have D-Star in it, I would point you to the T10.
Oh, the T10. Yeah, we've done videos on that one already.
So the size difference between the 50 and the 52 is largely the screen. Is that why it's shrunk down? Is just go into the monochrome, you got a little smaller platform?
Smaller platform. You take a look here, your lines line up, so the speakers are the same size, the buttons are the same size, so your screen height. GPS antenna in the same place, looks like the same style knob, so if my ID-50 knob comes up missing, I know where to go to. That's Grapevine, Texas, right?
Grapevine, Texas. Just
All right.
Just right north of you.
Very good. Thanks, Ray.
What charging options?
Well, one of the things that I like about it is the USB-C
Yay!
charging port.
There you go. That's what everybody's going to be asking.
That's it.
That's going to be the
no
same.
mid-section line, all right?
Okay, all right.
We don't have a release for that.
That's what we want to hear.
USB-C.
USB-C.
Yep.
So,
Brilliant.
Thanks, Ray.